today we're gonna get our dad back from the spicy gummy bear challenge.
Yep.
Using this. So the plan is to cut our dad's hair off, like.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
What's good, Golf Trip family? So today we have a good video for you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Make sure you hit the notification bell
So you don't miss out on any of our videos that drop.
And let's get this video started. So today we're gonna get our dad back from the spicy gummy bear challenge.
Yep.
Using this. So the plan is to cut our dad's hair off, like, because he said he was planning to like cut it all off anyways.
And restart his waves.
Yeah, so let's
get
do
it.
this.
That was serious. He's still awake.
So now we had to wait because he's still awake. We're planning to wait until he's asleep, so we could like do it. Cause
So he
if he's
doesn't
awake
know.
and
Yeah,
like we do
he's
it,
gonna
it's
know that one.
obvious. Like he's gonna wake up. So the plan is to do it while he's asleep and then cut it off, and then let's just see his reaction when it's done.
Yep.
Yeah.
You think he's asleep now?
2 hours later.
What the Bro, what the Why you
Pranked ya!
What the bro, what the hell? What are you not doing? My hair? What you mean prank? This
We got you back from the spicy gummy bear challenge.
But scalping my hair though? My waves?
You said you were gonna cut it off anyways.
That was funny.
What the heck? What you mean I was gonna cut it off anyway? Bro.
It was
It
kind of
doesn't
good like
matter.
that.
Y'all put this, y'all want this deep? How you know I didn't change my mind?
Well,
How you know I didn't change my mind, man? I had these waves for 10 years.
it's ready to restart. You don't know what happened.
Bro, what the man, come on, man. Like, for real, what y'all doing? You was in on this too? You was in on this too?
We might as well finish.
Bro!
Gotcha.
Bro! Stop! Oh my!
I think I missed his butt.
It ain't no. Nah, help! You did not just. Y'all did not just cut my hair. Y'all took it that deep though.
Well, yeah,
That's
it
a
did
good
kind of
idea.
burn our thumb. Keep on over here throwing up and stuff.
I mean, you better use some hair growth oil.
Yeah. Oh my!
It's not even that
I
bad.
don't even know what they. I'm serious. I don't know if I should just like really just whoop y'all, or should I just be just like okay, it was the prank.
We should.
I'm just really like, oh man, bro. Do y'all see this, man? They really did.
Hey, there's still
Trey,
blood.
come here, bro. Come here, man. Oh, they just cut my way.
No way.
Did you see that? They talking about because I was already. It was already because I already said I was gonna do it. Why y'all do that? I did talk about. You know, I did say I was gonna scout one day. But wow, bro. That's how they get me like this. There's no coming back from this. Now I gotta really scout.
They try to make you look like George Jefferson.
Bro, I look like Jason Voorhees. Bruh. You talking about the black Jason Voorhees, man? Hey, man.
I should be a barber.
I look crazy. And I got a tan right here.
You see that, Mama? Come here.
Jimmy, come here and look.
Come look at that.
Look what they did to me. You was in on this prank too? Y'all was all in on this prank, huh?
Yup.
You didn't know? Did you know, Trey?
Nope, I had no idea.
10 years of work, bro. Now I gotta do something else. And they got me like this. This prank wars? Gojo family, this prank wars, huh?
Prank wars.
Yup. It's prank wars.
I better keep my
If
drag
you go
on now.
low, we go lower.
Hey, look, y'all went this deep as cutting all my hair off, right?
Yup.
I have no coming back. There's no coming back from this. I gotta scout. I gotta take all my weight, bro. I gotta finish it off. I have to cut it all off now. Start over. This is 10 years of work.
Is this me, or can you still see the ripples on his scalp? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh,
You actually can though.
I don't know. I'm just like, I don't really know what to do. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Now I'm just like,
But you need to do something, because that ain't it right there.
this ain't it.
That look can go hard.
Yeah.
You like.
I wouldn't wear it, but it
Still
looks good on
go
you.
to- Just wear it directly there, so you're like.
Bro.
Straight.
Trey, I really gotta come with a different wave pattern now.
You should get dreads.
They talking about use the hair growth oil. I'm like, bro, I got the beard growth. I'll put the pictures up. Oh man. Alright, look, check it out. Y'all wanna do that?
Really look like you stressing.
No Xbox for you. No talk on the phone. That's all you do. You don't even play games.
Yeah, I don't.
You was on that too? You was in this too?
Yeah.
He used it a couple.
Yup.
He did it too? Deucey? Bro, why you do that? You really can't play the game now. You was in on it too? You wasn't? You was, huh? Oh man. Alright, look. That was a good one. Y'all got me, alright? But okay, but now we taking it that serious. I definitely gotta get y'all back. For sure. Y'all alright, y'all going as far as cutting my hair?
Yup.
You better make sure you wear a do-rag every night. Don't slip like me. I slept. Bro, I just dozed off. And y'all do me like this. You know I normally always have my do-rag on. Hey, how y'all get all this? Bro, how did y'all get all this? Bro, what? Did you break my clippers? Bro, did you just break my clippers?
How you gonna shave his hair and then break the clippers?
What the hell? Alright, man, look, check it out. That got me hot, man. I'm out of here, bro. That really got me hot, bro. That really got me hot.
Oh, at least you're gonna look like Papa. You're gonna be his twin.
Alright, so I think we got him good on that one. He definitely. I better like keep my drag on, cause like, I mean, he did make hair go well for a reason. You know, he said he was gonna do it anyway, so.
Yup. I think that was like way better than the last prank. So you should definitely like, comment, subscribe.
Turn on that notification bell.
Yeah, hold on.
going like that.
Oh, bro, hold on. I'm scared to even go outside. I don't want nobody to see me like this. Man, I went ahead and just cut it all off. Had to finish cutting it all off. Now they lucky that I planned it on already, cutting all my hair off and starting over with a new wave pattern. I wanted to do something different anyway soon. We talked about it before, but it went to the extreme doing it without me having to do it myself. But that just made me have to just do it. So, prank wars, all right. You see it.
If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.